In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the icons of the shortcuts on your desktop. In order to make a shortcut, you right click, you then go to Show More Options, New, Shortcut. And from here, you can then select what you want to make a shortcut of. In this example, I've just got a test file because this video isn't about how to make shortcuts. If you want to know how to do that, let me know and I'll create a video. So I'm going to make a shortcut to this file here called test file. Press OK. And then next, and then I name it. So I'm just going to call this example because that's what it is, an example of a shortcut. And there it is. Now I want to change the icon because at the moment it's a Word document and a Word icon, but I want to make it something a bit more exciting. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to go to Show Options, then I'm going to Properties, and in here I'm going to click Change Icon. And you can see here there's a whole selection of icons that I can choose from. Press Apply. OK. So there we have a different icon. However, you can access some rather cool and comic themed icons. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So you're going to right click again. You're going to go to Show Options. You're then going to go to Properties. And then you're going to click Change Icon. And this time, you're going to scroll to the end of the text here, and you're going to delete shell 32. And you're going to type in the following: Pifmgr or Pifmgr.dll. So it's P-I, lowercase though, Pifmgr.dll. Press Enter. This loads up some quite cool icons. Let's go with the umbrella. Press Apply. And there we have now some cool umbrellas. Now there's also another set of old school icons that you can access. So you do it in the same way. Right click, Show More Options, Properties, change the icon. And this time, instead of Pifmgr.dll, we're going to type in moricons.dll. So basically more icons, but without the E in the more. So it's moricons.dll. Press OK. And here we get a set of old school images. Some of these you may recognize if you are old enough. Let's go with a fox. Press Apply. There we have an exciting icon for your shortcut. Okay, one more. Right click, Show Options, Properties. We're going to go to Change the Icon. And this time we're going to put the following in. We're going to put Images, Imageres.dll. And here we have some more images and icons that we can use. There are other options available. Check out the description below and you can access and try out some other ones. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.